up, everyone? Welcome to today's video where we're hitting the gym and bringing all the energy. Whether you're here to level up your workout, get some inspo, or just vibe with me while we lift, you're in the right place. This video is all about gym life, weights, sweats, and maybe a little accidental dropping of dumbbells, but you know, these things happen. I'll take you through all of my go-to moves. I'll even share the tips to get the most out of your workout and show you how to have fun while breaking sweat. So let's start this video. Let's try 10 and 10. I haven't been in the gym for a hot minute since summer, so obviously my bones are feeling it. So let's try and do 10 and 10. 1, 2, let me try to do that slower. 1, 2, tensing my abdominal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, next side. I'm gonna try and go past my knee or just below my knee. 7, 8. That, I felt that one, Okay, now I'm gonna do 10 lunges each side. How to do this? 1, 2. Right here, I'm squeezing this butt cheek. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go slower. 4, 5, 6, 7. The slower it is, the worse. 8, 9, 10. The slower I am, I feel it more intense. Okay, same on the other side. 1. Tense in the right butt cheek. 2, 3. I can feel this in my thighs. 10. Okay, next, I'm gonna do some squats. I'm gonna do micro squats. So instead of starting down and going straight up and tensing here, I'm just gonna keep it low. 1, 2, 3. And as I'm going up, I'm tensing my butt. Get some weight on. I'm tensing my butt. 2, 3, 4. As I'm going up, I'm tensing. I let go. Tense up. 6, 7, 8. I'm feeling it. 9, 10. I did not even bring water. I don't deserve water right now. I just started. Okay, now I'm gonna do my arms. So I'm gonna take a seat. So I'm going to put it to the back, all the way down, and I'm gonna lift halfway. I'm not gonna bring it up. I'm gonna go from the bottom, start from the bottom, halfway, down, halfway. And it's gonna work all the way down, stretch, bring it halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 is the number. I was gonna do 20, but let's not get carried away. So I'm gonna stack these. I'm gonna stack them like this. I'm gonna lean back. Oh God. I'm going to lean back. I'm tensing my abdominal. And I'm gonna go over each leg. Try not to touch the dumbbell, like this. I'm gonna have this leg going flat on the floor. Lean back, tense. I'm gonna go 1, 2. I'm gonna do 10 each leg, okay? Our number is 20. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I'm actually listening to like Sweet right now. Oh, we're run out of time, so I'm gonna love you. From Meghan Trainor. It doesn't fit what I'm doing, but you know, like what do you guys listen to when you're working out? I'm gonna do 10 on this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go back up to my sides. 10 and 10. Oh, okay. 1. I'm gonna go past the knee. 1, 2, Oh, I should have done it more slower. I need to do that a lot slower. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better, slower. 7, 8, 9, 10. But baby, so do I. Megan Trainer. Anyways, so next, squats. I'm gonna take 1. I'm gonna do micros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, lunges. We're gonna go 1. Hola. Oh my God, someone just came through the door. I was alone in the gym and now I'm not. So I stopped talking, as you can see in the video. However, I'm not very comfortable with speaking and filming with people around. Anywho, I'm gonna continue with my workout. I'm gonna keep the video rolling. However, you're not gonna hear me speak anymore because of course I don't want to speak and I don't want them to hear me speak about what I'm doing. So that's basically end of the chat, but the video does continue. So if you've lasted this long and watching me work out and working out with me, thank you so much for following my journey, and I will see you in my next video.